Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Android phone is stuck in a boot loop and displaying Encryption Unsuccessful error, it usually means your device's internal storage has become unreadable due to a corrupted system cache or a failed firmware update. I will show you exactly how to bypass this screen and fix your operating system right now. Let's get started. First, we can try to fix the boot loop without losing your personal data by wiping the temporary system cache, which often interrupts the decryption process during startup. Completely power off your Android phone. Next, press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the exact same time until your device's logo appears on the screen. This key combination boots your phone into the hidden Android recovery mode. Use your volume buttons to scroll down through the text menu until you highlight the option to wipe cache partition. Press the power button once to select it and confirm the action. Once the process is complete, select Reboot System Now to see if your phone bypasses the encryption error. Next, if the cache wipe did not work and the error returns, you unfortunately have to perform a full factory reset, as the encrypted internal data is fundamentally corrupted. Boot your phone back into Android recovery mode by turning it off and holding the volume up and power keys together. This time, use your volume keys to navigate down the menu and highlight the Wipe Data Factory Reset option. Press the power button to select it and then confirm that you want to erase all user data. This completely wipes the damaged encryption keys and forces the operating system to rebuild a fresh, readable internal storage partition. After the format is finished, reboot your device and it will start up normally as if it were brand new. Finally, if you are an advanced user running a custom ROM and you triggered this error, your custom recovery menu likely cannot mount the internal storage because it is missing its crypto footer. Boot your phone directly into your installed TWRP Recovery interface. Tap on the Wipe button from the main menu and then explicitly select the Format Data button on the right rather than just doing a standard wipe. TWRP will ask you to confirm this deep format by bringing up a keyboard. Carefully type exactly the word Yes and hit the check mark on the keyboard to execute the format. This completely removes the broken encryption layer on the data partition. Once finished, you can safely reflash your chosen custom ROM zip file and your phone will boot perfectly without the encryption failure screen. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.